Assalamu alaikum students. Today basically we have our last lab which is related to the WordPress theme development. In today's lab I am going to explain you how we can create theme from our WordPress WP content folder. As in our previous lab we have known to how we can create plugin into a WordPress. In this particular lecture I am going to explain how we can create complete theme from scratch. First of all, to create a WordPress theme, you will need two files to must exist in that particular theme, which is related to the style.css and index.css, index.php. Okay, index.php is basically the home file, and style.css will provide the formatting on our website. In style.css, there have been added the comment which we have discussed in our plugin chapter, name, author, description, version, and tag. This can also be added into the index plugin, index.php, or this can also be added into the style.css. Okay, this is optional to you. You can add it into your both plugins, but this is necessary. Otherwise, it will not be recognized that you have created any kind of file in the particular blog, because this comment is basically known that you are creating some kind of version into your website. This is very much important. Remember, the bootstrap blog source code is earlier article more than two files to your custom theme folder. Rename index.html to index.php. Must rename your index.php file into the WP content. When you are creating theme into your WP content, so you must have to name the file is as .php. Your theme has to be created. Go to the WordPress dashboard and click the appearance and then themes. If you are having any kind of theme which is pre-built in the Bootstrap, so you can also use that particular theme into the WordPress also. Actually, they are trying to explain this thing into this particular line. Activate the theme and go back to the main URL, and all this information is very much easy to us, easy to understand if you will read just one time, and you will understand what they are trying to explain you. But I'm going to explain you what's not written in this particular blog. In this lab, you have to perform basically two exercises. You have to develop a WordPress theme from scratch from very beginning, and then you have to add logo, menu, and different plugins on the particular theme. These both tasks are very much easy. Inshallah, you will be able to perform these both tasks without any hurdle if you will watch out this particular video from start till the end. First of all, you have to install the fresh WordPress into your website. So I'm going to open up my htdocs. Here is the htdocs folder. In the htdocs folder, I'm going to create a new folder and name this as theme development. In this particular folder, I'm going to copy the WordPress. And then I'm going to unzip it. Because we are installing complete fresh WordPress, you must have to install fresh WordPress to create your theme from scratch. As our WordPress is being unzipped, at that time we are going to create database for our file. Our database have been opened right now. We are going to create database, name it as theme div, and create it. Your database have been created, and now we are going to locate Our WordPress is not completely extracted right now. We will wait for it till it get extracted completely. Otherwise, the WordPress setup will be get disturbed. It will must give error right now because it's not completely installed. So first of all, when it will extract it, then we will open up this particular WordPress. Till that, I am going to give you a review that what block we are going to follow. We are going to follow a block right now. worldwebtechnology.com. You have to write this and then theme development step by step. Enter. The first link you will click over here. Now in this blog, you will get the complete guide that how step by step you can create your particular theme. In the complete description, they have completely given you the all non information that how the theme will be created. Okay. If you are interested, you can also read the complete details about this. But I'm just going to show you the practical performance of this particular thing, what they have explained in this particular chapter. Okay. They are saying that to create any kind of WordPress theme template, you must have to install a new WordPress and then create template files, which will be the create template folder into the WP theme, your own theme, and then template files. These files you must have to create your custom theme, and then create function file and save all these files as .php in the folder. Okay. This is index.php. After that, we have create header.php, footer.php, sidebar.php, single.php, comment.php. All these files are basically related to our theme content. And then at the end, stylesheet.css. This is a style sheet, that's why its extension is .css. All these coding will be just, we will try to copy this particular coding because right now I'm just giving you the topic that how you can create your website, your theme from scratch. Okay. I hope that our WordPress have been extracted at this level. 90% of our WordPress have been extracted. When it will completely get extracted, then we will open up the theme development portion. Then I will enable the WordPress at this level, and then we will move forward to the WP content chapter. You must have to save this particular database creation. You must have to save the name theme dev. Theme dev is the name of your database right now. Okay. Okay, students. The file have been extracted. Now I'm going to open up. WordPress configuration. Continue. Database name, database username, database password, database host, and then table prefix. Okay, let's go. Database name. The database name was theme dev. The username will remain is root. The password will remain as null. Localhost and WP is the prefix of our tables, and then submit. Run the installation. The WordPress is being installed into our particular theme development site. The site name is my first theme. Username, admin. Simple password I will set over here 1234. You want to use a weak password right now, okay? And then email address. Any fake email address can be used at this level. Don't tick over here, and then simply install. Okay, students, our WordPress have installed. Now we have to log in. Admin and the password is 1234 and then press enter. The first dashboard of our site. We are going to visit our site right now. This is the layout of our site right now. Okay. Now we are going to customize our site. No theme have been implemented. The basic theme, default theme implemented right now is 2020, which is already given by the WordPress team to us. Okay. That is a free theme that is automatically defaulted installed on your WordPress when you first enable your website. At the customization, you are looking complete site of your created theme. Okay. Create your website, blogs, and all these things have been given to us. Right now, we are going to create our own theme. So at this level, just stop all these things for now, and we are moving toward WP admin for the backup. Okay. When you want to work on the backend, so you can simply write WP and then dash and then admin. So you will get your backend again. There is no further work for the database. I'm just closing it right here. And now we are going to create index.php file. This is the first step to create our file into the WordPress. Theme development is our side. Okay. In the theme development, we are opening up our own theme. We are creating up our own theme. Theme development, WordPress. In the WordPress folder, WP content and then themes. In this folder, you will create a new folder and name it as my first theme and then press enter. Open this file and then create new file index.php. Open up and then copy your code over here. Save this file as a PHP file. You must have to check it again that this file is saved as PHP file, not a text file. Now this is going to be saved as a PHP file. Yes, I want to replace this file. Okay. And then control N or a new file. And now we are going to create our second page, which is create header.php. Now we are going to create our header portion of the theme. And we will save this particular file into the previous folder and name it as create header.php. All files and then save it. Footer.php and all files. Save it. Sidebar and singles.php, page.php, functions.php is not important, but we can also skip it. But I think we should add it. Control. and then all files. Comments.php, you can have different kind of comments in this particular block. If comment php base server and the file, please do not load this page directly. For example, these are comments. When the particular action will be performed, this will show the response. No response, one response, hashtag response, the what the error is. So these are the comments what our file will be showing to us. Simply we can add it as a comment. File is very prolonged over here. It can remain same for multiple sites. Comments.php, all files, and then save it. In the end, we are having style sheet. Here we will write style.css, all files, and save. Now we are closing this particular tab. Few files I have missed over here, which I was not thinking that I should add into a particular theme for right now, okay? And then I'm just going to cross check that I have added the main files into it. I don't need any text file, so I'm going to remove index.php because this is saved as document file, which is text document file. I'm just going to open it and then save as all files, and then save. Yes, I want to replace it, but it's not replacing it correctly, so I think we should create a new file. First of all, I think I should delete this file. Okay. Index.php, all files, just save it. Now I'm cross checking it again. All files are PHP files and style sheet. All files have been added into our WP content and then my first theme. Now we are going back to our theme dashboard. Refresh it. In this particular location, I'm just going to zip this theme which I have created, send to zip folder. Okay. I'm going to install this theme. Appearance, themes, add new theme. Choose file. Choose the zip file what we have created here. Theme development, WordPress, WP content, WP admin we have circulated, WP content, themes, my first theme, zip folder, and then open it. Install now. Let's see. Destination folder already exists. Replace with current folder. Yes. Now we are going to edit. Could not remove the old theme. Unpacking the package, updating the theme, removing the old version of the theme, cannot remove the old version of the theme. There is some kind of error into our previous theme. That's why it's not uploading it. Otherwise, our theme have been generated. We can simply upload our new theme into it. What's the reason? We have to find out. Install now. Activate. Theme has been installed correctly. Now we are going to activate our theme. This is our customized theme, new theme. This is showing new theme here just because in our CSS file, the name has been given to it as new theme. Now I'm going to edit it. We are going to name it as my first theme. Your name, your theme description. This theme describes how to create new content. For example, I have just given the information. Control S, save it, and then we will have to zip it again. Now we are going to upload this file over here. Appearance, themes, add new theme. Just refresh it. We are going to see my first theme, back, themes. It has already been updated over here, my first theme. This is updated over here. Okay. So you can simply customize your theme in this tab. You can change any kind of location. You can simply add menu into your theme. You can make it more perfect when you will use all the blocks have been given to you in the div areas. Okay, students, I hope you all have understood that how we can create our theme from scratch step by step. I have described as better as I can describe over here. An innovative designer always loves challenges. If it is in the case of WordPress theme development, then it is more challenging and interesting. There are various platforms that make this task easier for you. One of them is WordPress. It is easy to design your theme using WordPress. All you have to do is go through this tutorial as it is designed mainly for the beginners. You will get great help from the happy designing. Okay, students? You can develop your own theme by many blogs have been provided. The links have been provided to you in the reference area. I will also share this link into your CMS so you can easily circulate through it. Thank you so much. Please try to submit your assignments by time. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.